Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Anjali Masinaring from New Bataan, Davao de Oro. I'm 36 years old and happy married with 3 children ages 13, 11, and 5. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate and my hobbies are cooking, singing, and watching movies. I worked as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 2 years and 5 months. I served 4 members of the family, including a 6-year-old baby girl and a newborn baby. Duties are taking care of 2 children, preparing and cooking meals, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, cleaning the house, ironing, grocery shopping, and many more. I like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs and to help savings for my children's future. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I am a loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.